Hello, I'm John, this is Ellen, and we're here to discuss a little bit about what Reader has done for our home and the wonderful landscaping that they've put around it. We originally had worked with Reader years ago, and we were extremely satisfied with what they had done, and we called them back to discuss some ideas we had, and they immediately came up with some thoughts to tie in all the existing work with the new work and to really focus on points of interest on the piece of property.
Yep, they've done a great job with tying in all the stone with the natural elements of this particular property. We have a pond out front, creek in the back, and a lot of wooded areas, and so they were able to do a great job of tying all these elements together with the new renovation of the home and making it flow.
The setting that we had worked with, we really wanted to stay with a natural look and a low maintenance look. And when we met with Steve from Reader, he discussed some options and then brought these magnificent ideas together from ways to be able to mow without weed whacking, to have the natural look grow in together around the rocks. And they really listened to what our end goal was, and that was about a real good natural look with setting and low maintenance, a little bit different from polished pavers and fountains, just really to, as Reader says, nurture the nature that's there. And that's what they did. They brought the elements so it looked like it had been here in a perfect setting years ago, like nature did it. And we're just extremely happy with everything they did.
So our original focus was on this whole home renovation, and after working so closely with Reader in the landscaping and trying to tie in the home with the existing elements of our property, we really just sit back and think, wow, our focus was on the home, but now we're so excited about how this project of our landscaping has just really enhanced our home. It's an extension of our home now. We walk outdoors and we have these great seating areas that just seem natural with the environment, and it just I have to say too, we wanted to keep it so low maintenance and not this real structured type with lots of flowers and such, and they were able to tie in these beautiful potted plants, and it's ideal for our situation here. It added the color that we needed, and we're just really thrilled with it. That's about the entire project. I think the landscaping is what's been the most exciting for us.
And now when you look at all these points of interest, it made the home that sat on a piece of land, brought in this great landscape that you just want to go out and you want to go from one spot to another. And now when we see the family and the kids, they're sitting on different boulders, they're by the creek, they're by the pond. It's, are we gonna grill out there at the new location? Are we coming back to the patio? It's just wonderful. It's expanded the whole property, and it's made our house a true home now. It's wonderful.